Hi, my name is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. I'm a web consultant for non-profit organizations. Today, I'd like to show you how to add a countdown timer on your landing page. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm using Elementor Pro, so we can find countdown. So there's countdown widget here. So I can bring just element down here. And I can set the date, so it's gonna be it's only last about a week. So today's December 10th. So this free deal is gonna be it's gonna end next week. And so I'm gonna set the date, and you can set the time too. So probably I can do that to midnight. It's gonna end at midnight. Okay, here we go. And there's lots of settings here too. You can view inline or block. I'm going to choose the block. So you can hide or show dates and hours and minutes, so forth. So I'm going to just leave them on. And same as here, like you can show label hide or off or on. And you can even like put the custom label too. So in my case, this is fine. So here's the action after expired too. So you can redirect to another website after expired, or you can hide, or you can just show message. In my case, I'm just gonna hide. So let's do some style here. So I don't like this blue color, so I'm gonna change that. You can change the width and the border too. Alright, so I'm gonna just change that background color to a little bit different color here, so you can change that. Alright. So I'm going to keep it maybe lighter gray. And then the text color here, I can choose that to, you can change text color too. It's a content here. You can change the text color to black. Same as the label. I'm going to change that to black. And if you want, you can change that border radius. Actually, I like to change that to a little bit higher radius. So yeah, actually I like that. I think this is really important when you're creating landing page, if you're giving away some free deal, so that you want your prospect to sign up, and countdown works. It's like the Black Friday deal. So your free deal not gonna last too long. So you have to set the time limit. This encourage your user and prospect to sign up for you. All right, so I hope this helps, and it's really easy to add this kind of widget. So see you next time.